Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add booking reviews to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, you wanna scroll down below in the description and click on a link. When you're gonna be here on Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is booking reviews. So what you want to do is just click here, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail, is up to you. And when you do it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to write in the search booking, and then you're going to see here booking reviews. So let's create a widget. Now you want to go with the reviews widget or carousel or slider. I recommend going with the normal reviews widget. It's okay. And now just add here your URL filters, like how many of them you want to be shown. I'm going to be 4. Or we can leave it at 0. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Let's just click save. It really depends on you. When you're going to do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're going to have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And what you want to do is this. Just scroll down below, click add, empt, custom empt a widget. And simply enter the code here. Update. And voila, this is how you do it. You can center it to the middle, to the right side, as much as you want, and yeah. So if you make it bigger, like it will go away. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. See ya.